Have a huge home office with the best tech, or have an artist's studio with unlimited supplies. Have a glass ceiling for stargazing, or have a house with walls that change color. Live in a house with a private beach, or live in a house with a huge private farm. Have a personal chef's kitchen, or have a luxury spa room with sauna and massage chairs.